Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sharing your location with friends and family can be useful for coordinating plans, ensuring safety or keeping in touch. Fortunately, your iPhone makes it easy to share location. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. The first thing to do is to open the Messages app. Launch the Messages app on your iPhone, then choose the conversation with the person you want to share your location with. If you haven't started the conversation with them, tap on the Compose button to start a new one. In the conversation, in the bottom left side, tap the cross button, then select Location. This will show the location of where you are and you can send the pin to the conversation. Alternatively, you can open the Find My app. Go to the Find My app on your iPhone, then go to the People tab. Tap the People tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the people you want to send your location to and send it. By following the steps, you can easily share your location with anyone you choose to. It's a simple and effective way to stay connected and ensure you are always on the same page. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.